Hi everyone, it's Doug from Beyond Territory, and in this episode I thought I'd show you something completely different. This all came about as a little present to ourselves, myself and my wife, to do something a bit different, spend some time together, but do something crafty, hands-on. And I love history and I love building and making things, and we found this bearded pig forge and it's awesome. Learning how to forge our own knife. There's a great guy called Spike, bit of a character, but he makes the whole experience really relaxed, really informative. He's got a lot of knowledge from history as well, about blacksmithing, about the process, the science behind it. Gives great demonstrations. He works with you. You're in a small group for the day as well, so you get lots of time to the process and why we're doing it, which is cool. And you come out at the end of it turning a rectangular piece of metal into a pretty cool, elaborate looking knife. You go through all the trials and tribulations of getting used to how hot it can be in the room, to how much pressure to apply, how much force you need to smash, hit, hammer the metal into the shape you want it to be, and how to bend it and manipulate how you want it. It's great, really good fun. And once you get your shape, at the end, Spike's got a few grinders that you can then put a nice sharp edge to your blade. Mine definitely, ours need a little bit more work, a bit more tidy up, but we kind of ran out of time. But it's cool. It was really fun to do something different, something that's crafty, something that's hands-on. And so for me, I really enjoyed a bit of a connection back to history. And you know, it's a bit of hard work. You know, your hands ache at the end of it if you're not used to that kind of labour. Smashing something hard with a hammer continuously all day. But there's a real sense of achievement. So yeah, thanks for watching this cheeky little video. Something a bit different. Share a bit of crafting in action. All right, take care. Speak to you soon.